Hey, where are we?
Yosemite.
What are we doing?
Riding some bikes.
Are we having a good time?
Oh yeah.
Are we on an adventure?
A big adventure.
We got our passports for adventure?
We do.
Hey, what's going on? Dave Erickson here, and Honda flew me out to Yosemite National Park to take me on an adventure. And they said, you won't need to pack your passport, even though I did, because when you get here, we will supply you with a Honda passport. And we want you just to explore the area, take some photos, and have a great time, and share a little bit about the vehicle. So I'm gonna do that in today's video, but also share some of the beauty of this part of the country, go on a mountain bike ride, and some other things too, which I think hopefully will be interesting. So let's get started.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
All right, inside Yosemite National Park, got my helmet on, about to go on an adventure. Don't need a passport, not for this part of it at least, on a mountain bike. And these mountain bikes are motorized. I've never been on a motorized bike before, but based on the scenery here, it should be a nice, beautiful ride, regardless of how fast or slow we're going. Looking forward to this next adventure. There are so many adventures you can find yourself taking. Just go off the road, off the beaten path, or follow a path. So this is one of the streams that are just off the path we're on right now. The water is so clear. Let's talk towing. The Passport in the all-wheel drive with the optional towing package has a maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. Pretty decent amount, right? Same as the 4Runner, but more than the Blazer, Murano, and Ford Edge. Honda has a partner with Airstream for the weekend, and they borrowed a Nest to put in the back of this Passport. This is a 16-footer, 4,000 pounds. So you can get an idea now of what kind of equipment that you can haul behind your Passport. This Passport fun fact is brought to you by the Sierra National Forest. Not really, but kind of. As you know, this vehicle fits between the CR-V and the Pilot, yet the Pilot and the Passport share the same wheelbase, yet this is 6.2 inches shorter. On the plus side, it has a 0.8-inch ride height advantage over the Pilot. So in essence, we have a dual threat here with the Passport. You've got the urban driving experience plus the backcountry adventures all in one vehicle. So we're off the bikes, we're gonna go for a little hike, check out a vista. It's all part of the adventure. This was the path we were thinking about taking, but based on our time limits and maybe difficulty, we decided to skip it. But hey, put it on your bucket list. So this is what I'm talking about when I say go off the beaten path. This is definitely off the road. This is basically a riverbed that's kind of dried up right now, and we're just below, or I'm just below Half Dome, which is up there. Holy amazing, isn't it incredible? All little nooks and crannies. This spot right here, this is where bears sleep. Yeah. And just climbing around. So just up off there is the main trail, but if you want to get a little adventurous, have some fun, you gotta go where people don't go, right? You behind me, Greg? Are you back there?
I'm back here.
Okay. So that concludes this part of the adventure here in Yosemite National Park. Love riding this mountain bike. This is actually electric powered as well, so it's an electric assist. Never been on one of those before, and it made a big difference going up some of those single tracks and some of those steeper inclines through some of the hills and trails. What a beautiful place to go to. So check it out for sure, absolutely. It's a must visit place that you'll probably want to spend 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days here to make the most of it. No passport needed, but you might want to drive your passport here to get to Yosemite. Well, the adventure is basically over here in Yosemite. We've finished up our mountain biking. We're about to go back to the Airstream, pack it up and head home. But I want to give you a price point on the Honda Passport for 2019. Starts at 32, goes up to about 44, I think it is. But the good thing is I've already done a review on the Passport. I'll put a link in the description below so you can see what I did. 2 different versions of it. One was a big cargo demo, one was an overall driving review. So there's plenty of content that I've produced already on this vehicle. And today was more of what kind of things it can do for you and take you to so you can make the most of your vehicle and also have an adventurous time. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Adios. One more thing before you go, I've added links in the description below to some of the best-selling automotive accessories and products on Amazon right now, plus links to some of the product reviews I've done. You can find it in the description below this video. And if you don't mind, take a couple of seconds and click that subscribe button. I'm uploading 2, 3, sometimes 4 new videos every week, and I don't want you to miss anything, plus it helps support my channel. As always, if you have any constructive criticism, thoughts, or suggestions about my video, please leave it in the comment section below.